It's a gloomy Friday, March 30th, 2018. Got a call from a guy yesterday. Said his tub drain was leaking. Said he bought the tool, tried to take it out, wouldn't budge. Also said that he was a mechanic, so he figured he could handle this repair. But when it wouldn't move, he figured he'd call somebody else. I called him back from that message to set up an appointment to come see him. And the wife said that he worked overnight, so I guess he's an overnight mechanic of some sort. And he doesn't get out of bed until 11 a.m. So it's 11 o'clock now. We're heading over there, see if we can't help the guy out. And if I can get you any video of this at all, any shots at all, I certainly will. Let's get into it right after this. Not committed. No, just will not come out of there. Nope. Will not come. It's all rusted. It's all rusted. So try tightening it a little bit first. I'll try loosening it again. Sometimes tightening it helps. There it goes. It is nasty. It is nasty.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. It's alright. I don't think she's going to leak, but I want to get it cleaned up the best I can in there. Alright.
I was going to say, you need a putty knife or a razor?
Nope. I think we're good.
That'd be like some of our drivers. I look over your shoulder. I love it when they tell me how to do it.
Yeah.
I just turn around, hand them the tools. Here you go. Why do you fool me? You know how to do this, fucking John. And you do it.
That's right. That's right. Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
the new trucks are worse than the new cars. As as far as electronics.
You think? Oh, electronics?
Yeah. Oh my God, they're terrible.
So what are you working on? Like Mack trucks? Like
Freightliner, Peterbilt.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All night long, huh?
Yeah.
That must...
Well, from 3 in the afternoon. I'm usually there till 3 in the morning. Bloody one.
Yeah, but getting this back in here is going to be a trick. If I get
me to hold the...
No, I think I'll get it, but...
Hold the yoke.
I think I got it right there. I think I got it right there. Yep. She's biting.
You go all over the place?
Yeah, well, yeah, I mean, it depends. I try not to go, like, really far away, but if I have to, I do.
Sure. Money's right there you go.
You know.
Yeah, you gonna pay me.
Yeah. Malvern's about the farthest I want to go.
Yeah.
You know, that's... Malvern's up in there, you know?
Yeah. I was surprised when I cut that tool in half that it was solid.
Yeah. Yeah, you would think they'd make it hollow. Everything's cheap nowadays, you know?
Yeah. I picked it up, I thought, oh. It was only a couple of bucks, but... Okay. Gotta be hollow, right? Got the soles all down the shop.
Is that what you cut it with, a Sawzall?
I actually cut it with a carbon wheel.
I was gonna say, because you cut it nice and straight.
Yeah. Yeah, we have a, looks like a chop saw.
Yeah.
Except it's got the wheel on it.
Yep. All right, so what you might notice is some of this putty might start oozing out of there over time because as it settles into place, it's tight, but as it settles into place, some of this might ooze out. If it oozes out, you just pick it up, throw it away. It's not...
Oh, man. I don't get a rebate on it?
Yeah, water's running. I don't see nothing leaking. Nothing's leaking. Nothing's leaking. No, nothing's leaking. All good. All good. Beautiful.